Smart home security provided by Altronic Security Systems keeps your home safe and comfortable with a single tap from your smartphone. Turning in for the night, simply turn your system to stay, and your system secures the perimeter of your home. Adjust your thermostat for a comfortable night, and check that your doors are locked, the garage is locked, and the lights are out as you head to bed. That's smart home security. Call Altronics today for your free in-home consultation. You can't always be there when your kids come home, but smart home security provided by Altronic Security can still give you peace of mind. Get a notification when your kids arrive and watch the video clip right from your smartphone. You can also be notified when they arm or disarm the security system so you know your kids are safe inside. Now that's smart. Call Altronics today and be smart.